Welcome to this demo of the Aforza Product Launch Hub with Ava. Let's face it, every product launch in the history of CPG lives in multiple places. A legacy PLM system, an Excel tracker, an inbox, a presentation, and in someone's head. This disconnect costs time, agility, and most importantly, revenue. The Aforza Product Launch Hub changes everything. One space that holds the product, the accounts and scope, the promotions, the money, and the milestones, from first plan to 90-day review. It starts where every launch starts, the product. Pick an existing SKU or create a new one right here, imagery and all. Then tell Aforza what kind of launch it is: a brand new product, a line extension, a relaunch, a new market. The Product Launch Hub shapes itself around that answer. Planners do not paste account lists anymore. They describe who the product is for, and Aforza resolves the accounts live against the real hierarchy. 2 targets set on day 1, tracked to day 90. Same numbers, no rebuild. Distribution turns that eligibility into commitments. Pick the priority accounts, and Aforza resolves every eligible store, 1,682 of them. When this goes live, every KAM gets an objective with their name on it. No list, no chasing. The trade plan is not another tab anymore. 3 promotions pulled straight from TPM, linked to the launch and scoped to its accounts, and they show up right on the Product Launch Hub timeline. And the money has a home too. The full investment, trade spend, marketing, listing fees against projected revenue, margin, and ROI, benchmarked as the planner types. Finance sees the same numbers the planner does, from day 1, including the awkward one. This plan returns 1.2 times, under the 1.5 the portfolio wants. And the plan gets a second pair of eyes. Ava reads it against everything we know: comparable launches, the trade budget, what is already running in those stores, and flags what the planner cannot see. She never changes the plan. She makes the planner sharper. Then one click. Objectives on every account. The SKU in every assortment. Promotions scoped, the clock running. Field reps briefed. The handoffs that used to take a fortnight of chasing, gone in 30 seconds. From scattered spreadsheets to a single connected solution. Aforza Product Launch with Ava means that you launch faster. Every objective, assortment, and promotion cascades to the right account in one click, so the handoffs that used to take a fortnight happen in 30 seconds. Align everyone on one set of numbers. Finance, commercial, and the field see the same plan from day 1, with no rebuilds and no reconciliation. Protect the revenue. Ava surfaces budget pressure, overlapping promotions, and cannibalisation before they cost you, so every launch goes live sharper. If this resonates with your challenges, why not join us for our Revenue Growth to Market webinar, where we will be showing this and more. Scan the QR code or click the link in the description. We hope to see you there.